Okay guys, today another fun day on a boat. Being alone here, so I can do whatever I want. And the thing I want is today drive around with my radio controlled boat. This is a 2-meter radio controlled boat, and go out with my big boat as well. So having two boats at the same time is quite nice. And wow, unexpected. I crashed my small boat. I crashed my small boat. So let's see if there's anything that broke. I don't think that something broke, but could be. Yeah, it looks good. Some hot glue will fix it. A lot of this RC boat is actually hot glued together, so this makes not like structural parts, but cosmetic parts, like the cosmetic life raft that you see on the right hand side. It's all really glued together with hot glue. This makes repairing it a lot easier. Sometimes it veers a lot, the boat. It's not driving on a rail or something. It's really varying a lot from one side to another. So, but it has a horn. That's good news. Once I'm out of the marina, I will tow my boat behind the big boat, and that way I can easily go to the place where I want to drive it at. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm towing my boat to the anchor spot. So this is the rope I'm using for. So first I need the small boat to come to my big boat. There's actually some time to assess the damage as there's no other boat approaching at the moment. So we'll check out the damage. You know, this boat I will be putting it out of the water very soon anyways, because at this time it has been in the water for, my guess is like almost like a week or so. So it really starts to grow, to have some growth on there. I don't want to have a RC boat which weighs 80 kilograms starting to grow weeds on the hull of the boat. So this is why I'm putting it out of the water soon. Also, it's very dirty already. Whole boat is quite dirty already. So you see that all over the place here. So I'm definitely going to be putting it out of the water soon. Meanwhile, let's enjoy some fun driving around. I will tow the boat at a speed of around 5 kilometers an hour, or maximum like 7 or so. This ensures that the boat has no problem with veering and stability. So start with going at idle. I'm pulling the boat. Let's start to actually add some speed, and you see that the boat is drifting around quite a lot, and also there's quite a big wave actually coming in. I do nothing with the rudder, so the rudder is completely neutral. So the boat is now still connected to the radio controller, but the rudder is actually not moving at all. So this is the way I'm pulling the boat through the water. see if I can get closer for you guys. Yeah, there we go. And this is really what I like to do on my off days. Just pull my RC boat through the water, go to a nice anchor spot and just stay there for a couple hours, enjoy my boat, enjoy my RC boat. Even though this is still like spring in Austria, so we're not fully, we have definitely not a fully developed summer yet. Just up here at the anchor actually preparing. So there we go, this is a stern line. This is what goes to shore, and this is what will connect to this rope right there once the boat is off the hook. So this is the anchorage I will be parking at. Today is about 17 degrees Celsius, quite clouded as well. So not like your typical weather to go swimming, but you know, still out in the water, still have some fun. That's what I'm going with this. So the tow is completed. I will now disconnect the boat on the back and drop the anchor in the drop the anchor in the front. So, and also connect the stern line, of course. So now let's just start with disconnecting the model boat. So the RC boat is now disconnected from the main vessel. And I'm just gonna drop the anchor at about 10 meters of depth. That's about 30 feet for you American guys. So let's back up towards the beach. And the water here on the Danube is not really clear. So you really do have to rely on that Simrad display. Otherwise, you will definitely run aground. So we got 8 meters of depth. I will start to drop the anchor. There we go. Now back up with the stern. All right, guys, popping in here. Still cold, water's still deep, but let's go get the rope in here. Okay, there we go. No stones are in here, that's good. So my model boat is actually out in the wild, currently about 30 meters from my actual boat. So I don't want to get away too far from my model boat. Okay, so there are a few wakes coming in here from a big barge that has moved through, but actually not too bad of a wake, so we're still good. My model boat is doing fine as well. So good thing is that my boat is not a typical big V-hull boat. It's not. It's much more of a shallower hull. That's good because it gives the boat a good amount of clearance when I'm in shallow water like this. Get some more clearance while we're at here. I mean, I'm at the boat, I'm right near the boat anyhow all the time, so we'll not leave it like that. I'm not 100% happy with how far away I am from those stones, but you know, I think we are doing okay. So there it is, my model boat, doing absolutely fine on the open water. Just gonna go and drive towards us.